नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय।
Jai Guruji, Shukrana, Anantam Shukrana Guruji. I'll not share because I've already shared in the past how I connected to Guruji. I'll just share 2-3 satsangs which has made a huge impact. Last year, my daughter Kuhu, she got a concussion. She fell down while doing her gym class. So we took her to the emergency and everything. She was super nervous. हम उसको बोल रहे गुरुजी, कुहू डोंट वरी, यू आर गुरुजी का बच्चा. गुरुजी अपनी प्रेजेंस किस छोटी छोटी चीज़ में बताते हैं. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट कि हमने उसे कहा तू गुरुजी का बच्चा है तो टेंशन मत ले. और उसी समय एक नर्स आई, उसकी टी शर्ट लिखा था ब्लेस्ड चाइल्ड. सो गुरुजी के दरबार में कोई कोइंसिडेंसेस नहीं है. इट टुक हर आई थिंक एंटायर समर लास्ट ईयर टू रिकवर फ्रॉम कंकशन. But now she is perfectly fine, and this summer she had a blast. Whatever she could not do last summer, she just made sure she check off everything. तो शुक्राना गुरुजी हमारे बच्चों की हेल्थ के लिए. उसके बाद एक छोटा सत्संग, गुरुजी कैसे तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. एक बार दीप्ति had a शिव पुराण सेवा, so she lighted the diya in front of Guruji's Swaroop. And then right after that we had to leave for some place. We had to go. So we just left and the diya was still lighting. When we came back, the entire place was black, total suit. When we went up, I don't know how the Swaroop fell on the diya or something. The diya was the stool on which it was kept was completely burnt. The Swaroop, the frame, everything was completely burnt out. We just took up the stool, cleaned the whole place, the walls. And then while I was taking off the black suit, I removed the glasses and everything. The whole thing was burnt. Only the Guruji's charan were still there. And we were shocked to see how Guruji protects you. So we just kept it with us as his blessings to us. तीसरा शुक्राना गुरुजी का मेरी जॉब के लिए. I just joined a new company last week. And there were some things going in the company which I wanted to switch. So I was thinking कि अभी मैंने इस role में I've just spent maybe a year or two. I'm not too well versed in it. How will Guruji make this time happen? Because for the past 10 years I'm admitting it. Interviews पता नहीं कैसे इतने smooth जाते हैं. Even though I'm not prepared, he makes a way where I can join. In this time as well I was thinking how will it happen, and it again happened. I applied for a job. The person didn't look at my resume. They already took a candidate. Somehow at the last minute he found my resume and he said, okay, let's make a introductory call to the person. He called me, somehow we clicked, and then again he called me the panel interview. And guess what? In the entire world, for a reference, he called a person which I have not given a name for. He called a person that, what do you think about this person? You both are in the same company. And that is the only person in the entire company who can vouch for me for anything. I might have few hard feelings with other people, but with her, it was the best. So how Guruji picks people to make your life smooth. So शुक्राना जॉब के लिए भी, क्योंकि हर चीज़ लाइफ में ज़रूरी है. And last, most important satsang. For the past couple of years, I think we were planning to have a baby. Which was not happening. तो गुरुजी बताते हैं कि जब मैं चाहूँगा सिर्फ तभी होगा. तुम कोशिश कर लो, यू ट्राई ऑल द मेडिकल थिंग्स, एवरीथिंग, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो गुरुजी ने, डॉक्टर्स ने कह दिया था मेडिकली इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. इवन इफ यू गो फॉर IVF देयर इज 5% चांस. एंड आई लेट दीप्ति शेयर ऑल द डिटेल्स अराउंड इट. बट गुरुजी की कृपा से एवरीथिंग happened, and this past week we were blessed with a baby boy. So Shukrana to Guruji, where there was no chance, we were still not sure until 6 months. So we were not talking to anybody because it was a high risk. One satsang before that was when Deepthi got to know that she has conceived. I was in the temple. She had a first doctor visit next day. So we came to temple for blessing, and I had Darbar Seva. So I was standing outside right there next to that stand. And गुरुजी के स्वरूप के जो रूम है उसके बाहर अचानक से Deepti was asking Guruji, give me some sign that everything is okay, because we have gone through a lot in the past, so we were not sure. Suddenly, I don't know if Seema Aunty knows or not, but Seema Aunty comes to me. She comes in from that room and hands over something to me. And she said, this is for you. She actually, I'll just quote the exact words. She said, ये तुम्हें चाहिए. मैंने कहा मुझे चाहिए? I don't, that's what, she's just saying she doesn't know what she did, but Guruji does that. And you won't believe what she got out of it. It was a sticker which said baby on board. And we kept it in the car and we were shocked how it can happen. How can she give it to me? There is no relevance. Nobody knows about nothing. And how can she just directly come to him and give it to me? So we had it in our car, and that day we knew that Guruji has blessed us. So Shukrana to Guruji Maharaj. सबके बच्चों को हेल्थ बख्शें. That is the only prayer I have. बाकी सब चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, हेल्थ नहीं तो शुक्राना गुरुजी.